What's up, Dragon Brood? Not really wanting to get too deep in anything today. Just wanted to share some fun stuff with the chickens and some quick updates. So we'll hop right into the video. Just remember before that, if you haven't, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you get regular updates about the ladies and my other goings on. I think that's how they say it, in the outdoor space. But anyway, let's hop in and take a look at the chickens. All right, so I figured having a moment of zen will be fun today with the ladies. They are ready to get out this morning. As you can see, they are here. Not a surprise though. It is an actual good day after a rain and it's nice and sunny, so we can let them out. So, no surprise, they were waiting on me today. However, I did bring with me, oh, she knows, see? She knows I have snacks in my hand. Y'all can't see them, they're off camera. But we had Sloppy Joes the other day and had some burger buns left over. So I am going to treat the ladies and watch them go nuts over snacks. See, they're also greedy. They want to attack each other for stuff. And then they all grab a piece and take it away so somebody can't take their food things, which is kind of silly because these ladies have never needed for food since they got with us. We have infinite snacks for them, honestly. So I'm just gonna break up this, but what you notice is I don't give full pieces. I break it up just to prevent the fights, honestly. More than anything else. Even here, see how she's going to come over and try to take something? It's like a bad case of FOMO, of the constantly. Like, they want to know what the other one has that they're not getting, you know, which is such a silly mindset for them to have. I kind of get it, though. It's probably ingrained historically. But the reality is they have no need to worry about food. I always laugh because between them and our littlest kitten, you know, people would probably think we never fed our animals if they saw how they reacted to stuff. But yeah, they're getting nice and fed today. I figured we'd reward them. They got stuck inside yesterday because it was kind of rainy and a little wet, and we didn't want to have to bring them in. And truthfully, they're just running after whatever the new thing is I throw, like it's going to be something different than what they just got. But they don't really like the rain all that much anyway. Chickens aren't necessarily made like ducks. You know, they have a different set of wings that don't deal with the weather, wet weather as well. But I figured I would let everybody share in just some zen time with the chickens and watch them feed on some burger buns, which I guess a little bit of a Sloppy Joe mix left on them, but they don't really mind. Though, if we want to take a look, we can go check out Carnage and see how she's doing, because she's still holding up okay. Her feet are better, though she still has some lumps that we're probably going to end up having to soak her for. And notice she's still not totally comfortable. Even when I came over to the cage, her first instinct was to like put space between me and her. So she does still have a bucket of water she can drink from. Like, she still has food, though she's knocked over her food container, so I'll have to put that back up here in a second. But she can still get into it and eat. But yeah, we're mostly just trying to make sure she's at least keeping her weight up, staying hydrated. And like I said, for the most part, her feet are getting better. We do still have some treatments, probably for about another week, and then we can start getting her integrated. We can see her really like watching the rest of the ladies when the chickens come out. So she's at least getting familiar with them. And she obviously wants to be part of their group and hang out. But we gotta wait till she's better.